Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Clearly see, say, your party no drum pempenswa na akoye se be your munipa. Oh yes, why not? Because as I said, I'm ready to name to me. But this is the right time for us to be able to say it because
I'm ready to me because maybe that's all you say. Maybe that's na muka.
And I make a choice. Yeah, me living testimony to that. As I said, as a member of parliament, I say me want me constituency so be so pay transfer because it be your forestry commission.
Okay.
So me mean to me yeah. So me could see you. I could see you and I see you no pamo as a member of parliament. What becomes of you?
Now you are honorable member.
I am telling you, sir. Only
say
I had the opportunity to engage Minya Kwame Tikesi on it.
Kwame Kroma.
Yes. And only say me can't say I have received so many calls and so many messages. Just as I'm not kind. A lot of people with similar issues about it.
So just an example. And I made it for real.
Yes, and I made the crampono. It happened in front of Collins, the former finance director of the party. It's Collins Nyama also. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Because Collins Remu. And I mean to me Remu. Because the secretary was telling me so on available. To Collins to me Remu so national executive Remu the name so me because so many appointment I had to leave so much embarrassment. Yeah, but it is unfortunate, and these were some of the things that are not easy in our party. People who did not even have your friend say the gravitas in terms of party no stature and for manya jumama party no and for a party for ni no because I'm more for Sir John or no. Oh yeah. Sir John played about 80% of me win waterfall. I was really hurt because it was my home. It was my home. And yes, Sebisika no be bepe. Because you hear Osika.
Okay.
But the followers and they expect that a member of parliament. A bit to me more respect to promotions, with respect to transfers.
Okay.
Now, banner or no, just say, what happens to no grassroots person?
Oh, okay.
And these were the challenges that we were going through. I am sure said that. Mature. What do you say? Mature crata. Former complaint, powerfully worded letter, and Kamedekwa the president at the time. There's a guy who forestry friend Onuma.
Okay.
It was Onuma who pleaded with me. Say, Minchaso. And yes, I then Onuma will tell you he's one of the directors. But I'm saying all these things so that as a party, because from now till the next 4-5 months, you know, also to me here who drew my people who say we also went through the same thing, and it is a bad side of the party. And we should find a way. We should find a way to be able to deal with it. About you to a so called be office now or Pamwa. Miniatures when you bedroom. Like I say, I couldn't map and no about officer and more the ama and Juma for UTV. Or cameraman or conform more. I agree, but have conform more. You mean any doubt so.
Send me call me boss office no Pammy Bemmy and send me boss up me, but to be for office, they may call no Pammy and send you dipam. But who we a party need work or party Juma Maya Juma, but a party in an CEO. Yes. Yes. Sir John and a deputy.
Yes, because we need but as I said, minim what came over our people, minim, and immediately say in future we should have a very strong party.
Okay.
When I say a strong party, I mean national executive strong party. Sometimes just a phone call to some of them because, as I said, Nippon is in the national executive
party in strong, and the national executive in strong.
I think so we need to beef it up.
Beef what? The national executive.
The national executive. The national structure. No, we need to beef it up. We need strong men. We need strong people.
Chairman, what secretary said the constitution change beef it up. No,
because you see one for choice. And can no. You cannot do it well. And here, man, any woman no. we feel that it's our time to make sure say we best share part in here. You better share part in here. I believe see no man go. Wow, no man go no anim how better no.
Okay.
And if we don't speak truth to power, we cannot have our party the way we want it. This is not the party that some of us knew. Time my own university na no, that's not what we are saying. And so we believe that we have a way to deal with it.
I don't know if na munyi na mo kasa as a time be there na mo quiet. See I know there.
It is okay.
All of a sudden you have found your voices.
It is better late than never. What you say? But I feel enemy be me who your friend say post to be for one of our social media commentators. Wakotro na oto ayampia de koma baumia na baumia yesia no. Maybe we have not learned as a party.
Okay.
We will not allow those things to happen. A Drew Horner so be per se. In fact, the party executive have even issued a statement say, "Obi or any political ambition or person or penny or party in Afaton chain until we are done with the review committee, and I say committee no more around for us to be able to find out as what really transpired, Forget about any ambition that you have. Until patrol, we will be now supported by Umia or support to Kennedy. Forget it. We are not interested in that. Our party and the young people in this party are not interested in that kind of contest. We are only interested in building
any flag bearer race in the It
depends on the committee.
Okay.
Oh, but you see, we are not interested. Let's build our party from the scratch. Let the young men and young women who are now feeling a hopeless situation, as they say, no more.
As I said, how
say we do attend we are not interested in that. And this time when we see those things, I'm not sure say we will keep quiet about it. We will let the people know say the masses want the party to now look good. Me about Oba Kumasia. And we are phoning the party no. Party no. Okay. We are letting them down. We are more no, we can't do that. We have to understand say the party no to the extent say almost a party no and no guasia. And we have that responsibility to make sure say party no Ayɛka no.
This has been a political round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers.